How to solve linear equations for GED Algebra. Imagine you're trying to find out how much money you need to buy a new phone. You know the total cost and some other details. Solving linear equations helps you figure out unknown numbers like that. It's a key skill for the GED mathematical reasoning test and algebra in general. Let's walk through how to do it step by step. First, understand what a linear equation looks like. Usually it's something like x plus b equals c, where is the unknown and a b and c are numbers. Your goal is to find out what x equals. To do that, you need to get x alone on one side of the equation. Think of it like balancing a scale. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. The first step is to undo addition or subtraction. If there's a number added to x, subtract it from both sides. If there's a number subtracted from x, add it to both sides. For example, if the equation is 3x plus 4 equals 10, subtract 4 from both sides. That gives you 3x equals 6. Next, undo multiplication or division. If x is multiplied by a number, divide both sides by that number. If x is divided by a number, multiply both sides by that number. Using the same example, divide both sides by 3. That leaves equal to 2. Always check your answer by plugging it back into the original equation. So, replace with 2 and 3x plus 4 equals 10. It becomes 3 times 2 plus 4, which is 6 plus 4, and that equals 10. The check confirms your solution is correct. When you have a two-step equation, do the same operations in order. First undo addition or subtraction, then undo multiplication or division. Sometimes, you'll work with systems of equations, which are two equations with two unknowns. You can solve these by substitution or elimination. Substitution means solving one equation for one variable and then plugging that into the other equation. Elimination involves adding or subtracting the equations to cancel out one variable, making it easier to find the other. Remember, always perform the same operation on both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. These skills are useful in real life too. For example, if you're figuring out how much money you need to buy supplies based on different prices and quantities, you can set up an equation and solve it. Practice makes perfect. The more you work through different problems, the more confident you'll become. Solving linear equations is a straightforward process once you understand the steps. Keep practicing, and you'll be ready to ace the GED mathematical reasoning section.